Hello, this is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this Python course. In this lecture, I am going to talk about regular expressions.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
In short form, they are also written as REGEX. So we are going to talk about regular expressions in Python. Now, what are regular expressions? Regular expressions are basically used to search a range or particular patterns from a string. Suppose we have got a string and we want to search for a particular range of characters or particular patterns which are present in the string. Then we people opt for using regular expressions system present in Python. The programmer has to import RE, which is built-in module. Remember, RE is a built-in module of Python. In order to use regular expressions, you will have to import RE. So see, a module is nothing else but it's a big part of the by joining many namespaces we get the module. Now, for example, let's have an example of a regular expression. Suppose I want to find all the digits from 0 to 9 in a string. What I will do is first statement I will write is import RE. That is going to import the module that I have talked about, built-in module of Python, because until unless you import this RE module, you cannot use regular expressions. After that, in the second statement, I have taken a variable exp. It could be with any name. It could be any name. Exp is equal to re.compile within parentheses /d within single quotes. So what it will do is it will set the expression what I am going to use. In the third statement, you can see that I am using a method called findAll, which is to be invoked through this variable exp, which was generated using the compile method of the RE module. Do you understand what I am saying? Now see, exp is a variable which was generated using the compile method of the module RE. Module RE has been imported by using the import statement import RE. So everything present in RE module will be accessible to you. Okay, let's come to the third statement. In the third statement, I am using a method called findAll. What I am writing is exp.findAll, and within double quotes I have got a string like I got 100, Anil 76, Vimal 80, Mohsin 99. Don't forget commas in between because they too are part of the string. So I am using it with the print statement. What does it mean? Now exp variable is pointing that /d is pointing that we want to see only the digits present in the string. Let me remind you, /d means all the digits present in the string. So it will filter all the other things which are other than digits. Again, print exp.findAll, and within double quotes we have written the string I got 100, etc, etc. Now what it will do is findAll method will do is, because exp has pointed to /d, which means only digits, it will give only digits present in this string. It will filter out everything else which is not digits. So you can see in the output 100768099, all these digits were picked up one by one. Let's go to another example. Suppose I want to write a code whereby I want to find all known digits from 0 to 9 in a string. Right? Now it is reverse. So again, in the line number 1, in statement number 1, I am writing import RE module, built-in module is being imported through the import statement. Then I am writing exp is equal to re.compile within parentheses I am writing /d within single quotes. Now see carefully. This time over I am writing /D, not small d. When I would write capital D, that means I want to search for all the non-digits, not digits but non-digits, right? So in the print method, I have used find all method, which will search all the non-digits characters. So I have got a string, we had $500. So it is not going to find 500 because they are digits. And again, let me repeat it, /D means we want to find all the known digits. So again, as was in the previous example, exp was the variable which was generated through the compile method of the RE module. So exp.findAll. Now exp is pointing that I want to see only non-digits. So see in the output it is showing WEHAD space dollar. Don't ignore spaces. Spaces too are characters because they are not digits. In this case, they too are being displayed. Let's go down to another example. Here, suppose I want to find all the characters from letter D to letter G, right? So what I will do is, again, import RE, exp is equal to re.compile. See carefully, within parentheses and within single quotes, I am writing within square brackets D-G. It suggests a range. So D-G means all the characters are searchable starting from D. D is inclusive. D, E, F, G. So D, E, F, G, 4 characters. So whatever string I will be using as my argument, it will search only those letters, those characters which are either D or E or F or G, right? So you can see I'm using the find all method again. When I would write print exp.findAll, my dad is great. So exp is pointing to only, is saying that I want to see only 4 letters, 4 characters, D or E or F or G. You can see in the output it is showing D from which is the first letter of dad, then again D, which is the third letter of dad, then G, which is the first letter of the word great, then E, which happens to be the fourth letter of great. So this is how we people can use regular expressions. I have seen these coding examples in the presentation, but in the next lecture I am going to show you in the PyCharm and I will be executing them.